Ford teases official F-150 Lightning launch date. Ford Motor Company on Wednesday announced that April 26th will mark the official launch date for Ford F-150 Lightning, the all-electric version of its best-selling pickup truck. It's time.
Don't you think
It's time. That's Buffer. It's time.
I don't know.
Bruce Buffer.
Coming at you from the MGM Grand Arena in Las Vegas, Nevada. Fighting out of the left corner. Fighting out of the blue corner.
Just off of 2 words.
A fighter coming in at 185 pounds.
Okay.
Fighting out of the red corner.
Oh, my God.
It's time. F-150 Lightning, Ford CEO Jim Farley said in a tweet Wednesday morning with an image declaring that F-150 Lightning strikes April 26th. The automaker will mark the launch with an event at the Rogue Electric Vehicle Center in Dearborn, where the electric truck is assembled. Okay, you want to know something wild right now? Jim Farley from Ford, who's always posting about this stuff.
Right.
I think he's the CEO. Or, Will, can we get a verification? Can you please go click on his Twitter account? I'm every so often...
you take a peek?
I'm checking him out on Twitter.
Yeah.
I think when we did our Lightning video, he may have retweeted it. CEO Ford, yeah. I think he retweeted our Lightning video when we did it. Wildest thing, this guy's related to Chris Farley.
Oh, really?
Chris Farley. Do you know who Chris Farley is?
Yeah.
Mo, don't give me a reaction like that on Chris Farley.
Yes.
You got to give me a big reaction on Chris Farley.
Whoa.
Yes, better. And he put out a tweet the other day about his life growing up with Chris Farley, how hilarious it was to be on a road trip, how they always had laughs no matter what, just being around Chris Farley. I just want to give you a little side story.
Yeah, that's amazing.
Go find the tweet, please, Will, if you can. It's not that long ago, I don't think. You might have to go to tweets and replies. And then do like a big scroll down so that you load a bunch. You're going to have to do a big scroll down because it doesn't load enough. You got to like spin. Do you have one of those Logitechs? There you go. Now you do a Command F.
Oh, is it?
People ask if Tommy Boy was based on our family. It was. During the summers, Chris would travel on the road with his dad in Wisconsin. Every family has that kid that entertains everyone. Chris was ours. God, we were lucky. Based on his family. How crazy is that? That's amazing.
It is really.
So you have Chris Farley and you have
I don't want to
Tommy Boy.
Copyright.
You have Chris Farley and you have Tommy Boy. And then you have Jim Farley, who's actually at Ford now.
Yeah.
Bringing the thing full circle with the electric trucks. I'm just putting this all together for you, Bo. I don't know if you've been on the internet.
But this is crazy. 12 days.
Yes, it's coming. It's hitting.
I can't believe that when we had it in the studio, I was like, man, this is going to take forever.
It's going to be a while.
Yeah. And this one's got me the most excited because most of my friends that work in the construction world, they're the least to adapt to EV. They think the whole EV thing is...
But this is the one?
But this is so cool that they even piqued their interest.
Piqued?
Yeah.
Anyone put a down payment on your side?
No. Nobody I know. But...
Well, good luck now.
Yeah.
People are going to see it on the road and they're going to go, now I want one. Yep. And then they're going to have to wait. But yeah, 12 days, 19 hours, 36 minutes, 18 seconds. The countdown is on. F-150 Lightning. I would like, I should have ordered it too, right? But too many things to take care of, Will.
Yeah.
Too many things. Plus, I gotta look after you because you're getting too immersed in all the pixels, and I gotta come drag you out. Remember?
Mm-hmm.